NaturalRoxxy here, but you could call me Roxy. Today I'm going to be talking about the ColourPop new lipsticks, and I'm so excited because those colors are amazing, guys. And I haven't tested them out, but just by looking at them, they look so pretty. So if you are my existing subscribers, hi guys, I miss you. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you subscribe, and I'm glad that you guys liking my video. I'm grateful and I appreciate it. If you are watching this, please do subscribe to my channel so you can see more existing videos like this and other things coming up. I would greatly appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching my channel. So with that being said, please do follow me on my social media, on NaturalRoxxy Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter. I'm always uploading on there if I'm not here on YouTube, so you can see what I'm doing or what's going on in my life. Why am I MIA sometimes? So you'll know there. So please, my social media as well. Thank you so much. Get into the video. I'm starting to ramble too much. Yes, Roxy likes to talk sometimes a little bit too much. So let's get into this video. So this is the packaging. This is the packaging that it came in, like this, with the bubbles. So cute. This is sorry we're late XOX, and they just gave me a free lipstick because I did order it and it was late. I was wondering what was going on. So this is the lipstick. I have not unwrapped it yet because I wanted to do the video and I wanted to unwrap it with you guys. So these are the packaging, which I really like. This packaging is so pretty. I'm going to show you one. And it says Lux. So these are the new Lux lipsticks. So I'm going to be swatching these on my lips. I'm going to do liner as well as no liner, just to see how it will look. This video may be a little lengthy, guys, sorry, but I want to see how both work together so you guys can see. And so this is the packaging. This is the packaging, which is so pretty. I'm loving. And this is the lipstick, guys. And when I say, like, look at that. Like, look at that, guys. It has like little stars on the lipstick. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it has like little stars on the lipstick, and this color is so banging. Like, I'm in love with this color. Ooh wee. So I'm gonna swatch this on my hand. And this one is Cheetah, and I'm loving me some Cheetah. Yeah, that's pretty. That's really pretty. So let me just swatch them for you guys before I put them on my lips. And they feel so smooth on my hand. This one is Sitting Pretty. That's Sitting Pretty, which is so pretty. It's like a purpley color. This one is Abby. That's Abby. And this one is Humble Pie. That's Humble Pie right here. And all the colors that I'm swatching actually look a little similar, just from lighter to in between. I wanted to get the darker ones, but they were all sold out. But I was like, Roxy girl, get the colors that they have, because I was trying to get this video out. Like, I have been so MIA and so lost with my videos. Like, I've been so mad. Like, the sickness is real. And this is Boy. That's Boy right here. It's like a lighty pinkish kind of color, light kind of color, which I feel like that's maybe a little too light for me, but we'll see. And then this one is What If. And that's What If right there. Yeah, I have to get the darker colors. So all of these colors are pretty much the light colors, and so I have to get me the darker ones. Definitely, I have to make another order. Like, I'm going to do it ASAP. And I got one dark color, which is Friends, and I'm loving that brown. Like, Friends, it's like a brownie color. Like, that's really, really, really pretty. Like, I'm loving that. You guys can see. So let's get into placing these lipsticks on our lips, and let's see what we're working with here. So like I said, I'm going to be putting brown liner, and then I'm going to, but I'm a liner girl, so I'm always trying to line my lipsticks with stuff. I can't do it. I know people that can do it, but I just can't. So yes, let's get into the video. So I want to say, guys, that these lipstick are so smooth to texture, very, very smooth and soft, that you really have to take your time putting these lipstick on, because the formula is just smooth. It's not matte at all. It is transfer proof, but it's just really smooth texture to this lipstick, and you know, I really like it, but it's just kind of somewhat hard. I don't know if it's some of the colors. I believe it's like the lighter colors that is kind of harder to put on, but overall the lipstick is really, really nice and amazing. So that's all I wanted to say before we move on. And this color is so pretty. I like this color. Like, I could not wear this without a liner, as you can see. I just can't. Like, you know. All right, let's get back into the video.